Okay, I've had a number of people ask me how this ballast area is set up. It's really simple. This roof unscrews, all the metal on this half unscrews. The rafters unscrew, there's two of them. And then I take one of my sons and he helps me lift this conveyor out, and the dump truck can back right into here and he can dump 15 tons into this area. And the conveyor basically sets on top of the pile, or I can hang it from a chain. I've tried it either way. And but it keeps the ballast dry. And out here I just have a simple power cord where as you work the pile down, of course the conveyor lowers itself, but you can scoop it from anywhere within 6 feet of it, so it saves you some time. I use a hopper here so it's easier to aim, and it keeps from overflowing the conveyor belt every time you do scoops. And the rubber keeps you from getting rocks underneath the belt. So even us old guys can do this, and then you can see inside when the hopper fills up. It's right now just about full because I'm ready to go ballast again. But I do this usually in the morning before I go to work. I'll load the hopper so that when I get home from work I can pull the engine out, take a ballast train out and go ballast the track. This is the simplest way I've been able to do it. I wish I had a front end loader to fill this hopper, but that's kind of the way. Oh, if you ever break a shovel handle, the best thing you can do after I unplug it, this is aluminum or a steel, galvanized steel top rail to chain link fence. You can buy them in 10-foot lengths, and it's got the male fitting, and it slips right into the handle, and you can make it whatever length you want, and then you won't have to worry about breaking a handle anymore. And it's cheaper than buying a wood one. So that's just a simple tip. So, but anyway, that's kind of. I also made it for the kids to play on top. The grandkids come over and stuff, but it's just a simple area thing for keeping your ballast dry, and this is washed rock and stuff. So hope that gives you some ideas.